Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a straight line on Instagram story. So unfortunately, until now there is no such feature where you can add a line directly on the Instagram story. So here I'm going to show you a little trick to create one. First, let's just open the Instagram app, and after that you can just open the Instagram story camera in this case. I'm going to just click on the plus icon, and here I'm going to just go to the create page, and this is where you can type something. But if you want to create a line, you can just click on the symbols or the number on your keyboard in here until this number and symbol show up. Now you can just click on the underscore symbol on your keyboard like this. Then you can just repeat it again to make a line like this. Now you can change the like this. You can change the font to change the type of line. Okay, this one is a straight line, just straight line. There's this like a dash line, also dash line and straight line, so you can just choose which one that you want to use. This is also straight line. Okay, I'm going to just use this straight line like this. Now you can just hit on next, and here if you want to, you can adjust the line again, and you can also make the line bigger just like this if you want to. If you want to create another one, you can click on the type again, and then follow the same steps. Here you can change the font again to change the type of line. I'm going to go with bubble. I like this one. You can click on done again, and here you can see, you'll see that you can make it horizontal, you can make it vertical, sorry, or also horizontal, or you can also make it a diagonal like this. So that's pretty easy. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So don't forget to use this trick when you create your Instagram stories. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Oops, I got that gone. You can do it again if you want to, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Bye.